Hey guys, what's up? This is Rohit Bhati and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share a few easy and quick tips by which you can make your photo look more creative. So before starting, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and don't forget to press the bell icon for more awesome videos. So guys, let's get into it. So here we have the image in our canvas. Double click on the layer to unlock it. Click OK. Go to Image, Adjustments and select Black and White. Simply click on OK. Now go to Adjustment again and select Solid Color and put the color code in the box, which is 4400CD. Now click OK. Go to blend mode and click on color burn. Again go to the solid color and select the same color. Now click OK and make blend mode to linear burn this time. As you can see, we got a cool single color effect on our image. Zoom it a little bit. Now select the photo layer. Go to adjustments and select curves. Tweak the slider to get good shadow and highlights. Then close the tab. Now hide all other layers. And duplicate the image layer by right click on it, then select duplicate. Now click OK. Go to adjustments, then levels, and move left slider all the way to right. Now select both level and the layer below it by holding Ctrl key. Right click on it and click on the merge layers. It will merge both layers into one. Now unhide all the layers. Drag the merged layer to the top and make blend mode to lighten. Also make opacity to 50%. Make a new layer, select brush, make size to 50 pixel and hardness to 0 and color to 8AFE01. Now click OK. Now roughly paint the nails. Make sure opacity should be 100%. You don't have to be accurate because it will going to resolve with one blend mode. So you can paint it roughly. Now go to blend mode and make it color. Now paint the area where painting is not done. Now I'm going to use the glitter. I'm leaving the link in the description. You can download this glitter image from there. Drag it to the canvas and rotate it and make it bigger to cover the whole face. Now make blend mode to lighten. Make the layer mask. Select brush. Make sure color should be black and hardness should be 0%. Increase or decrease the size of brush as per your convenience. Now delete the glitter which are not on the face. This time you have to be accurate to get high-end result. Remove it from the nails. Then remove it from the lips as well. Also from the nose, eyes and eyebrows. If in case you have deleted the extra part, you can undo by selecting the white color from this little icon and brush it where you need to undo it. So guys, here it is, quick and easy technique to make your portraits look more creative. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, hit like button, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. So guys, see you in the next one. Till then, keep designing.